Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen dealership, sharing with you today this gorgeous looking and brand new Volkswagen Golf R. Finished here in Dolphin grey metallic paintwork and a few optional factory fitted extras. Key highlights will include IQ Light Matrix adaptive LED headlights in the front with illuminated logo, as well as around the side these upgraded 19-inch Warmenau black alloy wheels with blue brake calipers and ventilated front discs. In the rear there are also stylishly designed full LED taillights, and this model benefits from a factory upgraded panoramic sunroof with a tilt and sliding option. Boot space is also incredibly cavernous and offers 60/40 folding split seats, and inside the cabin, part leather upholstery grey seating for 3 in the back with centre armrests and cup holders and climate control. Whilst in the front there are also decorative door and dash inserts and upgraded front bucket sport seats with manual lumbar support. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with upgraded paddle shifts, and there's also bespoke R digital cockpit. Customizable dials are on offer with even sat-nav projection ahead of you and a heated steering wheel for those colder winter months. Center touchscreen will also have all your entertainment needs covered in the form of easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, DAB radio and built-in sat-nav for the center screen as well. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also available for added connectivity for the vehicle and various other vehicle system settings. Whilst helping you park is a rear view camera complemented by wide-angle lens and front and rear sensors. Full host of active safety systems are available for the vehicle at all times, and there's also so much more on offer with selectable drive modes. This model also benefits from an upgraded R Performance package with a speed limiter removed, and the multicolor ambient lighting will also stand out at night. While for the music fans there's an adjustable sound system and ChatGPT. 2-zone climate control with heated front seats available, as well as a wireless induction charger, and overhead you'll find easy controls to operate that stylish sound panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the brand new Volkswagen Golf R that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.